pen controls all of Disney. We need to find it. What the?
Hi, we need to find a book on park history.
Of course. Emily Fredrickson.
Amanda Lockhart.
Right over here. Park history.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Hey Jess, I got the book.
Oh, cool.
What book is it?
Park history. It's a man named Jess Lockhart. We're new.
Tim Walter.
Do you want to go down to the basement and get some files? for
Okay,
Finn?
sure.
Amanda, I think there's someone back there. No, it's fine. I think I already found the files.
Hey, you kids!
Hey, Emily, we should go get those files because Tim and I didn't put them.
Yeah, I have an invisibility clause.
Perfect. Hey, Emily, I think I found the files.
Okay, sweet.
Needs being found!